Hello guys, how you doing? Beautiful day down here in Hialeah, Florida. Alright, let's see what we got going on here today. Stihl MS 193T. Remember guys, I'm doing this video for my eBay store. I'm not trying to teach you anything, I'm not trying to fix anything. This is for my customers that want more picture. It's not enough, and that one sound. Also gonna do the video in Spanish and then voy a hacer el video en español al final, mi gente, por favor, esperen. Guys, if you know me or you're new in my store, you know I take everything apart like that. I can show you the best I can. I can be fair that I can with you guys. Like that you can be fair with me when you receive the machine. Also, please subscribe to my channel. Either in YouTube, you go to the right, you're gonna see my link to my eBay store. Just press it and we'll take you to my store, or either go to eBay and subscribe there too. Alright, let's begin. See what we got here. It looks good. Okay. On this one, you can see it has acceleration, but it's missing the right side here. It's missing a few stuff. I only have here the back, here this, and this that goes with the arboles. It's missing the rest here. I don't know if it's someplace maybe failed. Sometimes I got parts everywhere. If I found it, I put it. You know, sorry about the noise. Wait, let me take it out. Okay, here I had a problem. I couldn't take out the muffler. You know, I always take out the muffler that I can throw pictures inside. That little screw, it looks like the point broke inside. Whatever person was trying. I think this is why they gave up on her and they did what they did to her, violate her in a way that they look at taking her like that. Such a beautiful machine, but it is what it is, I guess. This is the best way to do it. I don't have the time. I guess with a big one, and then just take out and then take the little one. That's the best scenario, I guess. Alright guys, enough is enough. Let's hit it. Let's see where we're at. Remember, I always trying to start the machine. Thank you everybody for everything. I appreciate the time you guys always buy from me. Thank you. You don't know how much that means. Okay, let's hit it. Okay, good. Sorry, I don't know where I put the screws, but we're gonna put these two that's just fine here. I don't even know where I put them. Let me see if I can do it with two. Let me put one more. Because sorry guys, I know you're in a hurry. We don't got time for nothing. I know. Look, I got more here. Alright, now we're good. Good here. Alright. We're gonna put some gasoline here. Real quick. You can with a little oil. That's the only thing that I saw that I came with. I throw pictures inside already. Like that you can take a pic on the tank. Alright, we're good here. Alright, since we cannot accelerate, the best way will be through here, guys. You're just gonna do this so you can get anything, whatever you wanna. This is I'm gonna do the opposite way. And you see I'm gonna just go like that. Now because I'm gonna throw a little gasoline, you need to have both valves open. You know what I mean? Let me. You found me again. Let me use the big one instead of the little one. I got it. You see, you go like that in this case, and I'm just gonna throw a little gasoline. Not too much. Remember, guys, not too much. This is only to give him a little start. You get this back because the chances are we're gonna lose it. All right. I don't even know if it's on. Let's chuck it a little bit. All I want is just to get a little start to see if the coil works. We don't want to go crazy. I have the machine. Oh, I forgot to hit here. Let me see where we're at. Alright, right there is good. It's pumping. That means good. That means the carburetor. Anyways, you have to clean it. Remember, guys, that's all for parts. the thing of the clutch failed. I see it. Alright, since I'm not accelerating, that's why. Let's do a little acceleration here. I know the video is taking a little more than usually I do it. Sorry about that, guys. Wow. What a kick, huh? Alright, so far we know at least coil works, handle works, flywheel works. Out of that, guys, remember, so for parts, I'm sure if I hit it again, she's gonna come back. Let me try it again. Wait. Anyways, usually I stop. Let me get what fell. Sorry about that. Before I lose it. Alright. I know another piece fell. Look at that, the clutch went on. Alright, let's hit it again. Wow, he has a hell of a kick. You saw that way he did in my hands, huh? Wow. She wants to go. Alright, let's throw a little more of the magic liquid. Not too much. I'm gonna keep going. But she wants to go. I know if I keep going, I'm gonna get it. Wow, she has a kick. Look at it. That's good. I like that when it comes back and gets you like that. I like it. Alright, guys, you have it here for parts. Remember, so for parts. And don't forget, we have a little problem there. Out of that, you just this. It looks good. I'm gonna put everything back. Okay, thank you. Hola, mi gente. ¿Qué me dice la raza? Que se una la raza. Bueno, ya la última sin aire. De hecho hay 3. Mi gente, ya vieron, ya le falta esta parte de aquí. El cloche se me cayeron o traté de aprender. Ya vieron que por lo menos quiero arrancar. No quiero seguir dándole cuando está sucia y no me gusta. A veces trato porque yo sé que ustedes quieren oírle. Pero a veces eso no es bueno cuando una máquina lleva tanto tiempo así. La ladera funciona, la bobina funciona, la mariposa funciona. De ahí para allá, recuérdense que yo vendo para partes. Y usted está tratando de arreglar esta máquina, está cometiendo un error. ¿Por qué? Porque yo vendo para partes, para arreglar otras máquinas. Y aquí ya le dije ya que hay un problemita ahí con ese tornillito. Ya saben, una barrena bien grande para sacar y después sacan el tornillo. Ustedes saben más que otros. Y aquí vienen las partes, las de eso de aquí atrás, que acelera, y el alambrito, ahora no sé dónde está. Está aquí, está. Y el alambrito que lo puse al revés porque va por aquí, recuérdense que va para acá. Ahí está, le voy a tirar el fotico todo y le voy a poner todo para atrás. Ya saben que se me una la raza.